This is Pulkit from Billions Network. Today I want to talk about something that sounds simple, but it's actually a big gap in how we build AI systems right now. Every AI agent out there has no real identity, just code running somewhere. You can't prove who owns it, can't verify if it's the agent it claims to be, and there's no permanent record of accountability. What we built is a skill called verified agent identity. But the skill alone isn't the whole story. It works because it's connected to the Billions ecosystem, the smart contracts that live on Billions network, the Billions wallet that handles proof generation on behalf of the user. These are the pieces that turn the skill that we built into a complete verifiable on-chain identity system. The skill is the entry point. The ecosystem is what makes it real. I will talk about how it all fits together. So what's actually broken today? Three things. First, no proof of identity. Any process can claim to be an agent. There's no cryptographic credential, no way to tell the real thing from an impersonator. Second, no human ownership link. Who is responsible for a given agent? Right now, the answer lives in environment variables or a README file, not something you can verify, not something on-chain. Third, no accountability in agent networks. As we build systems where agents talk to other agents and delegate tasks to each other, the chain of trust completely breaks down. Without a root of trust, these multi-agent systems are fundamentally unauditable. The solution we built provides a verifiable identity for every agent. The verified agent identity skill gives each AI agent a DID or a decentralized identifier and allows its human to establish proof of ownership on-chain via the attestation registry on the Billions network. The process involves creating, linking, proving, and verifying the identity. Let me show you what this looks like under the hood. On the left, you have the AI agent. When it installs the skill, it derives its own DID locally using the identity protocol and cryptography. No registry, nothing goes on-chain at this point. It generates a verification link and sends it to the human on the right. The human opens this link in the Billions wallet. Inside the wallet, they generate a proof of uniqueness and an auth proof and submit these proofs to the Relay Attestation Service. The Relay Attestation Service is the one that orchestrates what happens next. The relay then makes two on-chain calls on Billions network. First, it calls the identity verifier contract, which verifies the CK proof and stores the proofs against the user state. This is what enforces uniqueness. One human, one identity. Then it calls the attestation registry contract, which creates a permanent on-chain attestation linking that verified human to the agent's DID. That's the complete flow, and the result lives on-chain permanently. Now let me walk through that again, step by step, more simply. Step 1, you tell the agent to install the skill. Agent generates its own DID derived from its key. Step 2, the agent shares a verification link with you. You open it in your Billions wallet, generate a proof of uniqueness, and the wallet submits the proof to the Relay Attestation Service. Step 3, the relay calls the identity verifier contract. Your proof is verified and stored against your DID. Then it calls the attestation registry contract, and a permanent on-chain attestation is created, linking you to the agent. That's it. 3 steps from zero to fully verified on-chain identity. There are 5 components that makes all of this work together. The verified agent identity skill, the Billions wallet, zero knowledge proof of uniqueness, the identity verifier contract, the attestation registry contract. The identity verifier contract is civil resistant, enforcing one verified human equals one verified identity. So why does this actually matter? It works with any agent framework, wherever you are building. The proofs are on-chain, they're permanent, public, immutable, not in a config file, not in a database someone's control. And it's just one install command to get started. Beyond the technical details, here's what this actually unlocks. Accountable agents. Every agent is linked to a verified human. When something goes wrong, ownership is traceable on-chain. Trustworthy agent-to-agent delegation. Agents can verify each other's identity and human ownership before accepting delegated tasks. You can actually audit multi-agent systems. No platform lock-in. The DID lives on public blockchain, not owned by any platform. Move your agent anywhere, its identity comes with it. Civil resistance by design. One human, one attested agent identity. No bot farms, no identity spoofing at scale. Let's do this live. I have an OpenClaw agent running on Telegram named Billy. It's running on my personal PC. Nothing special installed yet as far as identity goes. Let me just say hi. He replies, great, so Billy is alive. Now let me ask it to install the skill. I'm pasting the command to install the verified agent identity skill directly into the chat. That's literally it. You can find this command also on brilliance.network/verified agents identity skill open claw. Billy went off, install it, set everything up. Now let me ask him to show his identity. And there it is. That's Billy's DID, his decentralized identifier derived from his cryptographic key via the ID3 protocol. Nobody assigned it to him. The math created it. Now I need to link myself to him. Let me say, link my DID with yours. He's going to generate a verification link and share it with me. This link is specifically scoped to this pairing, me and Billy. I'd copy this link. I'll open this quickly on Chrome. And you can see it's human and agent pairing. This loaded inside Billion's step wallet, which is my identity wallet. This is where the pairing happens. I'll sign in with Google. To complete the pairing, you need the proof of uniqueness credential. For a new user, you'd go through a face scan at this point to claim the credential. You do it once, it's stored in your wallet, and you never have to do it again. I already have my uniqueness credential. As you can see, it's claimed. So I'm already past that step and ready to go. I'll hit verify. This is the moment. The wallet is generating a zero knowledge proof and sharing the proof to the Relay Attestation Service. The relay is calling the identity verifier contract, verifying my proof on chain. Then it's calling the attestation registry contract, creating the permanent attestation that links me to the bill. Now I can click on see agent in your profile, actually view the agent in my official profile. So as you can see, we have this section called verified agents over here. I have two agents, one agent from one of the desks that I run in the past. One of the agent should match the identity. As you can see, V9HT, that matches exactly what Billy shared with me on Telegram. My identity is now linked to my agent Billy, on-chain, permanent, verifiable by anyone. If you want to try it, install it, or learn more, head to billions.net. Thank you.